We are launching our very first Drone Academy. Drone has been a technology play as the data capture machine. The drone technology helps people to collect data in a faster manner and also in the most cost-effective way. The shortage of drone skills is quite serious. The reason I say that is we have not even started touch 10% of our application to use the drones. For example, right now the most usage on the drones is only on the security sector, a little bit of the farming sector, and we have not even touched the infrastructure, survey, repair. We have not even touched the other areas like agriculture and all that. So we need more and more pilots. We need more and more people to be able to repair these drones to make this industry successful.
And we are here giving opportunities to all types of underprivileged youth, and we are upskilling them with the skill of having a remote pilot license and a remote maintenance technician license. Remote pilot license will obviously allow the students to fly the actual aircraft legally, and the remote maintenance technician license will allow the students to actually conduct any type of service or maintenance on the actual aircraft. Actually making people understand where we are trying to go as an industry is by upskilling them from a young age, call it from primary up until then. However, we definitely need more organizations to play a role and start seeing how drone technology will change their lives and their day-to-day operations. That will definitely increase the need for more pilots or the need for more remote maintenance technicians.
I think that as corporate business, it's important that, especially in the tech distribution or the IT industry broadly, it's important that we start realizing the shortage of IT skills like drone technology in our country, because there's lots of opportunity for us as a country to use drone technology.
Since I am doing a technical support whereby I'm able to fix computers, so with these skills of drones, I'll be able to repair drones. So that's the certain thing that I'm so excited about. Is to get the drone certificate, the flying certificate, and also the repair certificate, and also to work in the IT industry. Like if they said, there are many opportunities in the drones, and there are few people that have this qualification or experience. So after this program, I'm so excited to have those certificates that I'll get at the end of this opportunity.